In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add prayer times to your Google Calendar. We're going to set this up using a calendar feed so your prayer times update automatically without any manual work. The process is quick, and once it's done, it just keeps working in the background. Start by opening your web browser and going to prayerwebcal.com or Phasure Calendar. On the page, look for the options to configure your location and the calculation method. Location can usually be set by city region or GPS. Make sure the location reflects where you actually observe prayer times, because even small differences can shift times by a few minutes. Next, choose the calculation method that matches your local mosque's convention or the standard used in your community. Different methods use slightly different rules for dawn and dusk. So selecting the right one helps your times align with what you expect. Many tools also detect your time zone automatically. Just confirm it looks correct. Once your settings look good, the site will provide a URL or IC's link specifically designed for calendar apps. This is the link you want to copy. Be sure to copy the full address exactly as given. It may start with webcal or HTTPS, both are fine for Google Calendar. Using the link rather than downloading a file ensures the calendar stays synced over time. Now, open Google Calendar on a desktop browser. Sign into the Google account where you want the prayer times to appear. On the left sidebar, find the section labeled Other Calendars. Click the plus icon next to it to add a new calendar. From the options that appear, choose from URL. You'll see a field where you can paste the link you copied earlier. Paste it into that field, then click Add Calendar. Google will subscribe to that feed and begin pulling in your prayer times. Give it a moment to populate. The events will appear under Other Calendars, and you should start seeing the daily entries on your calendar grid. Because this is a subscription, it's read only and updates automatically as the source updates. So you don't have to reconfigure it each month or season. If you travel or move, you can repeat the same process with a link generated for your new location to keep everything accurate. That's all there is to it. You configured your location and calculation method, copied the calendar link and added it to Google Calendar from a URL. Your prayer times should now show up reliably and stay in sync. Thanks for watching.